Dalawang lechon guys, yung handa ng COVID riders. Oh, tatlo. This is from COVID riders. Four? Oh, four lechon. This is taco. What group is this, bro? What rider group?
Yes, road riders.
Road riders. Oh, are you road riders, guys?
Road riders.
Road riders. Yeah. Napakaraming riders ngayon dito guys kasi ito pala yung yearly Thanksgiving ride ng mga lahat ng group riders dito sa Vegas, lalong-lalo yung mga Pinoy groups. I love your bikes guys.
They're rentals, we rental.
So we are the same. Giant. Hindi palang tao, Dre. Ah. Ariel.
Isa na iba.
Oo. Oh, idol! Oh. Sila, inaantay kayo eh. Sila, Edward.
Go, enjoy. You guys made it! Where's your partner? Oh, there! The back. Yeah. Such a beast. Ano lang to? Pababa lang to. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, susunod ka. Let's go.
Oh, hindi na. Sige. Pre. So late night after kanan Mustang Loop. Ayaw na umikot oh.
Alin?
Anong nangyari dyan?
Baka na, baligtad eh.
Ha?
Oh, ayaw magpedal.
Parang na may nakwan siguro. Baka na
Oh shit.
na-arus. Oh,
Buti lang, downhill.
kaya nga eh. Papasok sana ako dito so nahuli pa naman ako dun sa kasama ko. Hahabulin ko eh. Wala na. But it's okay. Kasi pababa naman na eh, no?
Oo, pa naman.
Eto, pabalik na to sa parking.
Yeah,
Ito,
dire-diretso lang.
diretso?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Ayun, kita mo ha.
Yeah. After the ride, meron silang kunting handaan. May mga patlak yata sila kaya makikain tayo guys. Tara. Thank you bro.
Anak na lang natin eh. Sige, kahit yung karne dyan, pwede na yan.
Pagkatapos natin nakipila doon sa lechon guys, ito naman yung pila ng taco. Beef. Yeah. Oh, it's windy. Yeah.
Jalapeno
Yeah,
onion, no?
jalapeno onion. Yeah.
Jalapeno.
Yeah. Onion. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, gracias. Oh, this is my taco. Ito yung taco ko, guys. Okay, yeah. Nakakuha ka lechon?
Yeah.
Ha? Ha?
Kala ko nato ka sa Virgin Hotel, naglalakad ko. Wala ako nga nag-chat eh. Naglalakad sa Virgin Hotel eh. Okay.
Itong handa ni Resty, marami pa. Mukhang hindi na mauubos to. Oh.
Oo. What's more? What's more?
Oh, look at this. Bro, what group is this? What's your group?
Zombies.
Zombies?
Where is it? In the back?
Oh, Zombies MTV. Oh, Mexicano.
Yes.
Okay, gracias. Yeah, gracias, amigo. Oh, they have still a lot here. Look at that. Wow. And this one. Oh, gracias, amigo.
I want to say thank you to our friend, Mexican people, Filipino people, everybody. Like I said, ride this one. Everybody ride this one. And then, it doesn't matter what group you belong. As long as you see everybody in the trail, say hi, say something, you know. And then, I would like to thank our sponsor with our the lechon that they gave us. They feed us a lot of lechon. Thanks a lot to Jesse. Jesse Cavio, our president. Who made this thing happen again. And thank you to all the participants who contributed and donated their time and effort. Thank you very much again. God bless you and ride this one, okay?